Exercise 2.8, question number 1. If omega is not equal to 1 is a cube root of unity, show that a plus b omega plus c omega square, b plus c omega plus a omega square plus a plus b omega plus c omega square by c plus a omega plus b omega square equal to minus 1. So you have to show the value of this is equal to minus 1. Only clue what we have in our hand is cube root of unity. Now what I am going to do is this first term let me multiply this first term by omega square and divide by omega square. That is, first term multiply and divide by omega square. Similarly, the second term let me multiply and divide by omega. So the meaning is not changed. Without changing the meaning of the question, we are introducing the new terms. We are multiplying this with omega square, dividing by omega square, multiplying with omega, dividing by omega. Now, you may have doubt how to remember this particular step. It is so simple. Somehow, I want to cancel the numerator and denominator. So, when I see the denominator, I have a term a omega square. So, which makes me to decide multiply with omega square and divide by omega square. Can you see here a omega square? That's why I have selected it. Same manner in second term, you can see here a omega. That's why I am multiplying and dividing with omega. புரிஞ்சுதா உங்களுக்கு? ஃபர்ஸ்ட் டேர்மில் a omega ஸ்கொயர் இருக்கிறனால டினாமினேட்டரில் இருக்கிறனால நான் என்ன பண்ணுறேன், omega ஸ்கொயரால் மல்டிப்ளை அண்ட் டிவைட் பண்ணுறேன். அதே மாதிரி செகண்ட் டேர்மில் டினாமினேட்டரில் a omega அது பார்த்த உடனே நான் என்ன பண்ணுறேன், இந்த செகண்ட் டேர்மை ஒமேகாவில் மல்டிப்ளை அண்ட் டிவைட் பண்ணுறேன். Now let us proceed further. Let me take this omega square inside. So what I will have, a omega square plus b omega cube plus c omega to the power 4. This 1 by omega square, let me have it as it is. Same manner, let me take this omega inside. So what I will have, a omega plus b omega square plus c omega cube. Now this word tells you the remaining. Cube root of unity means omega cube is equal to 1. And where we have omega to the power 4, I can write it as omega cube into omega. Omega cube is 1. So 1 into omega, what I will have? Omega. So what is understood? Wherever omega cube is there, I should write 1. Wherever omega power 4 is there, I should write omega. Now let us see here. Outside 1 by omega square, let me write as it is. A omega square, b omega cube. I told you the value of omega cube is 1. So only b will come. C omega power 4. Omega power 4 means what? Omega. So I am writing here C omega. Denominator, I am writing it as it is. Same manner here a omega, b omega square, c omega cube means 1. So c I will have. After you write this particular step, you can see this numerator and denominator has become equal. A omega square, b plus c omega, here also a omega plus b omega square plus c. So I can reduce these terms. Now the only thing remaining is 1 by omega square plus 1 by omega. Now let me take the LCM for this as omega cube. Omega square into omega, let me write it as omega cube. So this one I am going to multiply with omega and this one I am going to multiply with omega square. So now what I will have in the numerator is omega plus omega square by omega cube. You know the value of omega cube is 1. And we have learned the properties of cube root of unity is 1 plus omega square is equal to 0. Therefore, omega plus omega square is equal to minus 1. So, where omega plus omega square is there, let me put minus 1. So, when I reduce this, I will have the final answer as minus 1.